What happens to your body when you drink yam peel tea? Incorporating yam peel tea into your routine is not merely a delightful culinary experience, but a journey into a world of incredible health benefits. Rich in nutrients and boasting potential health-promoting properties, yam peel tea has emerged as a flavorful elixir with incredible benefits. In this video, we delve into the fascinating world of yam peel tea, exploring its preparation, key nutrients, and the remarkable health advantages it offers. The yam peel tea recipe. Ingredients: yam peels from organic yams, water, optional, honey or lemon for flavor. Instructions: 1. Begin with organic yams, wash them thoroughly and peel, collecting the nutrient-rich peels. 2. Place the yam peels in a pot and cover them with water. 3. Bring the water and yam peels to a boil, then reduce the heat and let the mixture simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. 4. Strain the tea to separate the liquid from the yam peels. 5. Pour the yam peel tea into a cup and, if desired, add a touch of honey or lemon for flavor. The health benefits of yam peel tea. 1. Yam peels are a nutritional powerhouse containing essential vitamins, minerals and dietary fiber crucial for overall well-being. 2. Packed with antioxidants, yam peel tea helps combat oxidative stress, supporting the body's natural defense mechanisms. 3. Studies suggest that certain compounds found in yam peels may possess anti-inflammatory properties, potentially aiding in the reduction of inflammation in the body. 4. The fiber content in yam peels contributes to improved digestion, promoting a healthy gut environment. 5. Nutrient-rich teas like yam peel tea can provide a boost to the immune system, helping the body defend against illnesses. 6. As with any herbal tea, yam peel tea contributes to overall hydration, ensuring the body functions optimally. The considerations and cautions. While yam peel tea offers numerous health benefits, individuals with allergies or concerns related to yams should exercise caution and seek advice from a healthcare professional. In conclusion, incorporating yam peel tea into your routine is not merely a delightful culinary experience, but a journey into a world of incredible health benefits. From antioxidant-rich sips to anti-inflammatory sips, each cup brings a wealth of nutrients and potential wellness. Embrace the natural goodness of yam peel tea as a holistic addition to your lifestyle, and witness the transformative impact it can have on your health. As always, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice, especially if you have existing health conditions or concerns. Sip your way to well-being with the enchanting yam peel tea. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts.